We're gonna take my C63S all the way to Huddersfield, which is about 3 hours. Currently, we are filling up the car. It was actually over what I thought, which is absolutely crazy because I still had fuel in my car. £100 for 3/4 of a tank is absolutely nuts. I'm not gonna lie, this petrol station is kind of nice. Gives America vibes. I'm gonna be in America soon, hopefully. Let's get going, let's get going, let's get going. Now we're on the way to actually go get the car now. No more fuel, no more stopping. Unless we get hungry. So we took a little break at some service station. I don't even know where it is. So I ordered 3 large hats, but there's a surprise. The surprise is you're paying.
Yeah, long day, long day.
Tell that good boy. Alright, this is the first time I'm riding backseat princess in my car. And can't lie, the view from back here is actually kind of nice. Look at these starlights.
And then my dad slept during those hours. Only big boy cars.
Are you the guy with the C63?
Alright, so we're in the flipping casino or whatever this is. So let's play. Why is it not working? Oh, you have to pay. That's not good. We don't pay to lose. We pay to win, like this. We are in Wakefield. No idea where the hell Wakefield is, but we are in Wakefield.
So what, half a tank left?
Well, less than half a tank actually. Hey, can I get sponsored with another fuel tank, please?
Fine, fine, okay.
Thank you, thank you,
Since yours nicely.
Thank you. So, why are there so many speed cameras here?
I don't know, you know.
We just drove past like 10 and then there's about 15 more on this road alone. Where's the speed?
We don't care about that.
It didn't show the whole way.
That looks like AI cameras.
We gotta establish aura.
Oh yes, I am in the wrong lane. I'm in the very, very, very wrong lane.
No, no. Don't deal with me.
It's okay. Hee 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 ha. Bro, why is it like full red? Where is this police road? Probably undercover somewhere.
Oh, they're following us.
Because they're under the covers.
I can't tell. Yeah, I think
Anyway, let's make some ruckus as well.
Oh yeah. That would knock off a grand.
That knocked off $1,000 of fuel, mate.
We're right around the corner from the dealership. We made a little bit of noise, some presents.
Sorry, you didn't see what that guy was doing, he was just staring at me.
No, not here.
Oh yeah, maybe I shouldn't like rev bomb. There's a
Funeral burn on.
yeah.
Yeah, don't do this.
Probably wake the guy up.
You might invite, yeah. Okay, it's not much.
Oh wait, hold on, no, that's it.
Ooh, that's my McLaren right there.
Oh yeah, rev, give it a rev, give it a rev or two. That's a super. That's a super, guys.
That's a Supra inside.
Oh, damn.
There's a McLaren right
There
there.
it is.
S63
There's
right
the S63.
Oh, that's my car right there. Dab me up.
That'd
Okay,
be
but why
up.
is there a new bumper sitting next to it? The lift.
Huh?
Has.
We've got C63S here. There's S63 right there.
Sorry, what was that?
Don't film any of the car.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, that's F. Oh, that's F. Yeah, these are
thing is, yeah, it's low, but the seats are like thick for comfort.
Wait, let me sit in that. Oh yeah. Oh my god, this is comfy.
Oh yeah. You want to put in sport, mate?
No, not yet. I've got your ears of you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Is it straight pipe? Yeah.
Wait, rev it?
Yeah, no, pressure there. Oh, okay. Yours is louder.
Yeah.
Why is yours louder?
Downpipes in, I don't know. It's pretty nice though. I'm not ready for this. They're actually not ready for this. I'm a downshift starter as well. Ooh, V12. Oh my god, this looks amazing. Look at it. Oh my god, this is crazy. Yo, look at the back. No, bun the front. Look at the back. Look at the back. Look at the back.
Yeah, crazy.
Is this long wheelbase?
Oh yeah.
Yo, this? Yeah, this is nuts.
I'm a driver. Oh yeah, give me that Maybach.
Bro, this is all the same flipping tools. Yo, look at this. It has
Attention to details in American football. Yeah. Let's have a look at the back.
it has all the buttons. So me and my friend here, we're gonna start making a lot of content with these AMGs. And the reason why he got it is because he's starting content creation seriously. So if you guys are, you know, looking for people to follow, content creation, cars, all of this, that, me and him are taking over the UK, like actually genuinely. So if you guys are interested in this kind of content, smash the subscribe button, because there's going to be endless amount of content coming out. We're going to be doing cruises together, drives together, like trips together, everything together. We're going to be doing. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be so much content, infinite content. It's going to be good. This is beautiful, bro. You don't get many places like this in London. Oh my god. Buying an S63 V8 5.5 litre in this economy is crazy. I mean, I can't talk, I have a C63S, but yeah, it's crazy. Alright, we are on the motorway. I am sleepy as hell. The S63 is behind us. We're gonna get some rolling shots, some driving, whatever, some nice driving, and that's gonna be it. There's gonna be a lot of content coming soon, but yeah, for today I want to rest. I'm probably gonna get someone to drive this car, and I need to sleep because I just finished from a night shift. Straight boom going back into a night shift. I am gonna be cooked. I haven't even eaten, so yeah, I need to basically sleep as soon as I can. But anyways, on shift a couple times.